Now we will discuss about the renin-angiotensin system, which is the mechanism of BP regulation. To understand renin-angiotensin system, we have to remember four things. Number one is that liver releases angiotensinogen. Kidney contains beta-1 receptors, while the angiotensin converting enzyme ACE releases from the lungs. And the last thing is that renin is released from kidneys. So these four things are important to remember to understand renin-angiotensin system. Whenever our blood pressure decreases, the beta-1 receptor which are present on the kidneys activates and they cause the release of renin. The renin converts angiotensinogen which is released from liver into angiotensin 1. This angiotensin 1 will convert into angiotensin 2 by the help of an enzyme known as angiotensin converting enzyme which is released from the lungs. So this angiotensin 2 will perform two main functions. Number one is vasoconstriction, while it also increases the secretion of aldosterone in the kidneys. The vasoconstriction will result in increase of total peripheral resistance, which will increase the blood pressure and the blood pressure becomes normal. On the other side, increased secretion of aldosterone from the kidneys will result in the increased sodium and water retention. It will increase the reabsorption of water and sodium from the kidneys. As the sodium and water are reabsorbed in the body, it will increase the venous return and the cardiac output will also increases. That will result in increased blood pressure and the blood pressure become normal. So this was all about renin-angiotensin system.